recently, an earthquake. Well, this is actually a couple weeks ago, but well, last week, an earthquake happened in Chile. Now, I want to correct the news people. It's Chile, not Chile. I don't care how they say it down in Chile, but it's called Chile. Please say it right. Please say it right. It's annoying me. Now, another thing. That earthquake sent a tsunami to, yes, of course, other parts of Chile, but also an enormous amount of pressure, making the waves go all the way to Hawaii and somewhat Japan, ending actually in Japan. Around Japan, the northern U.S., including Alaska, and yes, Vancouver, which highly doubt, and parts of the other country. What's it called? I want to say Antarctica, but that's not the country. Damn it. Well, it's that movie that just came out. Damn it. Well, that country below the Philippines. Forgot what that's called. I keep forgetting what that country is called. I just can't say it. It's on the tip of my tongue. I just can't say it. Oh well. So, anyways, that tsunami was so powerful it reached all the way to Japan, and yeah, the surrounding to that. I'm pretty sure it kind of hit some parts of China. I'm very doubtful, because I didn't see any waves hit Honolulu or south of Hawaii, the little southern tip, where you was showing, news crew. But thankfully, all the people responded except for several. Most of the people responded, and they got out. They got out of their houses and went to higher land. That's good, because if something did happen, they would have got washed out. Now, look. I know I made another video about this, but this is kind of continuing. I've been hearing more reports of earthquakes happening. I mean, check this out. All I heard was 8.8 earthquake hit Chile with, I think it was either 5 or 10 aftershocks. I believe it was 5. I don't remember how many. But USA Today says that it killed about more than 708 people. I'm not sure if that's thousands, I'm not sure if it's hundreds, but 708 people, that's a lot, but that's not comparing what happened to the earthquake that hit Haiti. I don't know how many people died in that. I believe it was like, the population is like, what, a third of our world's population lives in Haiti? I'm not sure. I am seriously not sure. But I get all my crap from USA Today. Or from the Atlanta Journal something. Constitution or something like that. That's our local newspaper here in Georgia. But I get it off of those websites. Very rarely I go on Wikipedia. Now look, I know that Wikipedia is not a reliable site, but still, I do kind of trust it. Now, moving on to other news. Let's talk about wrestling. shall we? Now, let's go back last week, Sunday, the Elimination Chamber pay-per-view. Sunday night, last week, the SmackDown Elimination Chamber. Shawn Michaels shows up and Sweet Chin's, which is kicking the person in the chin with the foot. Anyways, Sweet Chin's Undertaker. Apparently this thing is Sweet Chin music, but making the Undertaker lose the World Heavyweight Champion. Now, Undertaker has rights to get back the champion at any time. But he showed up on Raw the next night, which was last Monday. Actually, I believe Shawn Michaels called him out, but he was talking about how he was explaining why he kicked Undertaker in the chin. Undertaker shows up. Shawn Michaels says that the Undertaker wants his revenge. Shawn Michaels has begged the Undertaker to go to WrestleMania. He's pleaded. He's tried to win the Royal Rumble match. He's tried to get into the SmackDown Elimination Chamber, then kick Teddy Long. He did go to the chamber, but he wasn't officially supposed to. But since that's a no disqualification match, you can use any part of the frickin' chamber as a weapon or whatever you want to do. But he shows up, kicks Undertaker, and now they're going to face this year's WrestleMania 26. And guess what it's for? Undertaker's 7-0 streak versus Shawn Michaels' career. Shawn Michaels deserves to get beaten at WrestleMania again this year. He's already tried to beat The Undertaker last year at the anniversary of the anniversary or WrestleMania anniversary, whatever. WrestleMania 25. There. Short, simple. He tried to beat The Undertaker. He was the closest to try to defeat the streak. And now, 17 people he's beat, 17 people he will beat again. Shawn Michaels is the 17th person, but Undertaker will keep his streak and he will turn 18-0. He will keep the streak alive. Apparently, I was watching Monday Night Raw this afternoon, right after I got home, because we have our own recording. We're supposedly have bedtimes, but I recorded it, and Undertaker sent a message to Shawn Michaels, and Shawn Michaels has a tag team partner. Everybody should know it's Triple H. Them two are DX. They're supposed to get their tag team titles back, but Undertaker shows up and it's over. I'll see you next time. I got other things to do.